If you have the Whirlpool Duet Sport washer and dryer stackable units, then you are definitely clicked onto this video for a reason, because you are probably experiencing that your washing machine will not drain. I'm going to teach you exactly how in this video to do it. There's so many different videos here on YouTube that you can click on, but this one we're going to get to the point real quick. I'm going to try and keep it less than 3 minutes in total so that you can get in and out and get this cleaned up.
You want to open up the washer, and it usually has it right there. There you go, right there. You can put it back down now. Okay.
Oh, very nice. Look, there's a piece of paper right here. Look, this.
Let me see.
That's what I'm talking about.
Dear Anna Catherine, to teach you Catherine, find a Mexican that has tools. He will save your life.
Get a low profile bucket or saucepan of some sort to put underneath this change collector filter. And you're gonna just twist that off. Be careful because the water was coming out pretty quickly. Here it is, and this whole bucket filled up full of water. We ended up having to do another bucket of water. It just needed to be drained from this past cycle. And look at all that gross stuff in there. I'm gonna show you exactly what all of this change collector filter here in just a second. If you can also get not only an extra bucket, but an extra hand, that will be so helpful, because we went to go pour out the first one, and then we had this other one ready to go.
There we go. And look at that.
Wow.
That is what's not letting it drain.
What is it? What is it? Is it something?
Look
that's
at-
Oh, it's the coin collector. So it did
Look.
collect some coins.
Screws, coins.
Curious
This
what's in the
has been
pocket.
clogged.
Oh, look, that's your...
Tools. I guess someone that's washing my clothes isn't going through my pockets. Wonder who. Oh wait, I wash my own clothes.
It's going to smell gross, so be prepared. You're going to want to take this coin collector, go put it in the sink, wash it out real good, sanitize it, do whatever you want. I bleached it. Then you're going to want to make sure you remove the top. I did not do this. I didn't know it was removable. The first time when I walked it back to the washer, all this black gunk came out. Please engage with this video. If you liked it and enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let me know, was this video helpful? Did you get your problem solved for your washing machine that wouldn't drain? Or do you perhaps have a tip that I don't know about? Please be sure to share, because I know people like me read the comments, and sometimes I find good tips when I read comments underneath videos.